Yes, so this project contains a WebSocket with simple front end, which is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And we will figure out here today to check how WebSocket works. So here is a simple Spring Boot WebSocket example where we are simply config WebSocket. So here is the configuration, WebSocket config, and we are putting a broker as a topic, simple name topic, and prefix for the applications app. We are also registering the endpoints when we are calling from externally from any frontend or other sources. Suppose is the endpoint is WS, then this WS endpoint will accept from this origin. And this is a simple configuration we are writing for the WebSocket. After that, there is a controller, message controller. In the message controller, we have created a one controller endpoint, name is message. So whenever we will receive any message, we will return same message, and this message will send to the topic message. So whatever front end the UI is subscribed with this topic, it will redirect, it will catch whatever message we will receive in this controller. Okay, as you can see, this developer's topic and broker, we are passing the message into this message subscriber. So here, the same message is subscribed in the UI. Let's in the script. This is normal JavaScript where we have declared socket.js, which is directly interacting with the port 8080 WS. WS is endpoint. As we see in the config, there is a endpoint for the WebSocket is WS. And after that, it will internally check for the new output from the backend. So we subscribe our endpoint with the topic messages endpoint, which is declared in the controller. So whatever message we will push in that, it will come here. And show message method will call up in the UI and will show up the message in the UI. Here is a send message. Send message is called when in a UI, not here actually in the index.html. When we will pass any message in text box, it will call send message, and send message will take this message and pass to the controller. So this way, whatever message we will pass, it will show up here, right? Let's take an example to see how it will work. So we will pass a simple message here, hello world. And as you can see here, so this is the hello world dash string WebSocket, right? So this is the way how we can see WebSocket is working. Here in the network, you can see whatever message I will pass, message when I send, right? It will internally calling the endpoints and the single message, right? So when I pass a message here, right, it sends, same way it will return, right? This is the second. Yeah, that's it for this. Thanks.